connection is way below the surface. It's that berg underneath the surface. Like, we see the tip. We have no idea how big it is underneath. The depth that's underneath is the experience that we get to give. We get to. It's so magic. Can you remember the very first live performance you went to? Anybody remember it? One of the first, if not the first, I know. Yes? Some of you? Somebody spit out, what was your first live performance that you ever saw?
Bye Bye Birdie in high school.
Keep it coming. All right. Why did you keep going back for more?
It was entertaining. It was fun.
It's entertaining. It's fun. What else? Exciting. Does it make your life better? Yes. Damn straight it does. That's why we go. We want to be changed. We want to be on that super tanker. We want to feel that moment, that joy, that love. Isn't that pretty amazing that we get to give that to people? What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole. Thank you for being here, Nicole. What is your role here with the Thousand Oaks Performing Arts Center? You're a bartender. Drinks on Nicole, y'all. Oh, there's Toby right next to her. Well, anyway. Okay, so maybe I'll foot that bill. My credit card, I'll get you that later. Anyway, so when we think about what we get to do, Nicole, it's not just a drink, is it?
No.
No. What is it?
It's an experience.
What is an experience, Nicole?
Like making someone feel welcome.
Making someone feel welcome.
Like they want to come back.
Like they want to come back. Yeah. How many of you, by a show of a really nice straight hand, none of this like wimpy, 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 how many of you have gone to see the same artist or the same show more than once in your life? All right, look at that, woo! That's called loyalty, y'all. That's what we want. People can go so many places for their shows, right? Yes. I live in Southern Oregon currently, and some of you may have heard of OSF, Oregon Shakespeare Festival.
Yes.
Anybody been there? Okay. Southern Oregon has a lot of dang theaters. And yet we have so many people who come because there is a gift to having many of the same thing. Like my good friend Mike says, there's always room for one more good one. Here's what I'm going to give you as your charge today. Make this Performing Arts Center and the sister, the Share Theater, make it the category of one. Make it the place that people want to go. Make it the first place, the only place. Now, that's not about judging others. It's about making the choice. That super tanker, be that for them. Welcome them in. Human connection. Woo! I bet there's some people in here like me who know what it feels like to be disconnected. You do not have to raise your hand. Please don't. That's awkward. I'm not here to make you feel awkward. We all know what that feels like, though, from that collective nervous laughter. Like, oh, yeah, nail on head on that one. Yeah, we all know what that feels like. And by the way, there's an epidemic of loneliness and disconnect that started way before the pandemic. Here's the deal. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution with your language, body, verbal, nonverbal. You are the solution with your welcoming. Hey, it's great to see you. We are so glad you're here. Welcome or welcome back. There's an opener for you. Is it welcome or welcome back? Oh, welcome back. I've been coming here for years. How many people know somebody who's been coming here for years? Yes? Oh, yeah. Do we want to keep them coming back for 25 more years? Ooh, that'd be a sweet spot.
Are your teams struggling to feel connected right now? Is the ongoing COVID coaster really taking a toll? Well, then it's time for us to have a conversation. Ginger here. We help you and your teams master human connection, to be connected, to stay connected, to feel connected, because that's when we do our best work. That's how we keep going. If you're ready for that conversation, reach out. Let's talk about what we offer as it can help you and your team match your goals, your vision, and keep you going.